Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Visit our channel when you have an automotive problem. We might just have the answers for you. Hello, fuel-conscious drivers and car enthusiasts. Maximizing fuel efficiency is crucial, and understanding excessive fuel consumption and idling issues plays a pivotal role in achieving this goal. In this detailed guide, we'll explore the factors contributing to excessive fuel consumption, delve into the drawbacks of idling, and discuss effective measures to address these issues. Join us as we uncover the complexities behind excessive fuel consumption and idling, and learn practical strategies to enhance your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Maximizing fuel efficiency. Understanding excessive consumption and idling issues. Excessive fuel consumption can be a costly issue for vehicle owners, and one of the common causes is idling too rich or too fast. When your engine is idling too rich, it means that the air-fuel mixture is too fuel-heavy, leading to increased fuel consumption. On the other hand, idling too fast can also result in excessive fuel usage as the engine is running at a higher speed than necessary during idle periods. In this video, we will delve into the reasons behind excessive fuel consumption due to idling too rich or too fast, and explore potential solutions to address this issue. Understanding excessive fuel consumption. Factors contributing to excessive fuel consumption. Excessive fuel consumption can be attributed to various factors such as poorly maintained vehicles, aggressive driving habits, traffic congestion, and inefficient route planning. Vehicles with neglected maintenance, such as dirty air filters, worn spark plugs, or low tire pressure, tend to consume more fuel. Aggressive driving behaviors, such as rapid acceleration and frequent braking, can significantly increase fuel consumption. Moreover, traffic congestion and inefficient route planning lead to prolonged idling and increased fuel usage. Impact of excessive fuel consumption on the environment. The consequences of excessive fuel consumption extend beyond the financial burden on vehicle owners. Environmental impacts include heightened greenhouse gas emissions, air pollution, and resource depletion. Excessive fuel consumption exacerbates air pollution by emitting higher levels of particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, and volatile organic compounds, contributing to poor air quality and respiratory issues. Additionally, the release of greenhouse gases, particularly carbon dioxide, intensifies the threat of climate change and global warming. Moreover, increased fuel consumption accelerates the depletion of finite natural resources, perpetuating environmental degradation. Idling too rich or too fast. When your engine is idling too rich or too fast, it means that the air-fuel mixture is not balanced during idle. This can lead to various issues with engine performance and fuel consumption. Let's explore the causes and effects of idling too rich or too fast. Causes of idling too rich or too fast. Faulty oxygen sensor. A malfunctioning oxygen sensor can cause the engine to run rich at idle, leading to excessive fuel consumption. This sensor measures the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases and helps the engine control the air-fuel ratio. Dirty or clogged fuel injectors. When fuel injectors become dirty or clogged, they can dispense too much fuel into the combustion chamber during idle, causing the engine to idle too rich. Faulty mass airflow sensor (MAF). The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and adjusts the fuel delivery accordingly. A malfunctioning MAF sensor can lead to improper fuel delivery at idle. Vacuum leaks. Any leaks in the vacuum system can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, leading to a rich idle condition. Common causes of vacuum leaks include cracked hoses, intake manifold gasket leaks, or faulty PCV valves. Effects of idling too rich or too fast on engine performance. Decreased fuel efficiency. Idling too rich or too fast can significantly decrease fuel efficiency, leading to higher fuel consumption and increased costs. Poor emissions. An imbalanced air-fuel mixture at idle can result in higher emissions of pollutants such as hydrocarbons, HC, and carbon monoxide, CO, contributing to environmental pollution. Fouled spark plugs. Rich idling can cause spark plugs to become fouled, leading to misfires, rough idle, and reduced engine performance. Throttle response issues. A rich idle condition can affect throttle response, causing hesitation or sluggish acceleration when transitioning from idle to driving. Understanding the causes and effects of idling too rich or too fast can help in diagnosing and addressing issues related to engine performance and fuel consumption. Addressing these issues promptly can lead to improved overall efficiency and performance of the vehicle. Please take a few seconds to drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and please share with friends who might benefit from this information, and as well, hit that subscribe button for more terrific information like this. Let's now continue. Tips to reduce fuel consumption and proper idling maintenance practices to improve fuel efficiency. Regular maintenance is crucial in ensuring optimal fuel efficiency. Start with regular engine tune-ups and oil changes. Clean or replace dirty air filters, as they can restrict airflow and lead to increased fuel consumption. Properly inflated tires can also contribute to better fuel efficiency, so check tire pressure regularly. Additionally, using the recommended grade of motor oil can minimize friction and improve fuel economy. By keeping your vehicle well maintained, you can significantly reduce fuel consumption. Best practices for proper idling. Unnecessarily idling your vehicle can lead to excessive fuel consumption. Turn off your engine if you're parked for more than a minute. Additionally, avoid warming up your vehicle for long periods before driving. When starting your car, allow it to idle for no more than 30 seconds before driving off. In situations where you have to wait, such as at a drive-through or while waiting for someone, consider turning off your engine. By minimizing unnecessary idling, you can effectively reduce fuel consumption and minimize environmental impact. Utilizing technology to monitor fuel consumption and idling. Fuel monitoring systems play a crucial role in helping businesses track and manage their fuel consumption. These systems use advanced technology to provide real-time data on fuel usage, enabling businesses to identify inefficiencies and take proactive measures to optimize fuel consumption. Additionally, engine diagnostics are essential for identifying idling issues, as they help pinpoint specific areas that may be contributing to excessive fuel consumption. Benefits of utilizing fuel monitoring systems. Real-time data. Fuel monitoring systems provide real-time insights into fuel usage, allowing businesses to monitor consumption patterns and identify potential areas for improvement. Cost savings. By accurately tracking fuel usage, businesses can identify inefficiencies and take steps to optimize fuel consumption, leading to significant cost savings in the long run. Preventative maintenance. These systems enable businesses to schedule timely maintenance based on actual fuel usage data, helping to prevent unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. Importance of engine diagnostics in identifying idling issues. Pinpointing problems. Engine diagnostics help businesses identify specific issues that may be contributing to excessive idling, such as faulty sensors or components, enabling prompt intervention to address these issues. Optimizing performance. By leveraging engine diagnostics, businesses can fine-tune engine settings to minimize idling without compromising performance, leading to improved fuel efficiency and reduced operational costs. Utilizing technology to monitor fuel consumption and identify idling issues not only enhances operational efficiency but also contributes to overall cost savings and environmental sustainability. We conclude that reducing excessive fuel consumption and addressing idling that is too rich or too fast is crucial for both environmental sustainability and cost-effectiveness. By implementing proactive measures such as regular vehicle maintenance, efficient driving practices, and the use of modern technology like fuel management systems, businesses and individuals can significantly decrease fuel waste and minimize the negative impact on the environment. Embracing these strategies not only conserves resources but also contributes to long-term savings and a greener future. Thank you for exploring our guide on maximizing fuel efficiency by understanding excessive consumption and idling issues. By recognizing these factors and implementing strategies to mitigate excessive consumption and idling, you're better equipped to optimize your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Stay tuned for more insightful automotive maintenance tips and fuel-saving techniques. Remember, minimizing excessive consumption and idling habits significantly contributes to maximizing fuel efficiency, saving both money and the environment. Drive smart for a more economical and eco-friendly journey. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.